mga taga-Luzon, ang Alingatong The Miracle Roots na matagal na natin pinagkakatiwalaan sa mahabang panahon at nagpagaling sa ating mga iniindang sakit. Ngayon ay nasa kapsula na. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Red Alingatong Plus Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. FDA approved from GreenMed Pharma.
Your boss is an idiot, your coworkers are incompetent, and you are underappreciated. Yeah, sucks to be you, huh?
89.5 FM rocks.
Hello everyone, this is Paul Sapira and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Check the time right now, 12:17 in the noontime. Time check brought to you by Red Alingatong Capsule. Now available nationwide. Available at leading drugstores. Available din syempre Subic Bay, Freeport, Olongapo, Bataan, and Zambales. Red Alingatong Capsule. Gagaling ka dito. Subukan. Alright, and speaking of subukan, subukan nyo rin. Bumili ng pagkain sa ano. Kung wala kayong ulam, di kayo nakapagluto. Try Tisay's Canteen. Yan. Yun yung pangalan ng ano ng store ng canteen. Tisay's Canteen, malapit dun sa ano sa Victory Liner compound. Okay? All right? Pagpasok mo dun sa yung dating Mart 1, ano ba yung ibang store na siya ngayon eh. Hindi ko alam yung pangalan eh. Pasok ka doon. And then bago kumaliwa sa Victory Liner, yun, okay? Nandoon yung Tisay's Canteen. Kumakaway sa inyo sila Tisay. Yung mga Tisay, sila Salve, sila Marlene, ayan, tsaka sila Christina, si Lynn, si Peng, Emma, Jackie, Vicky, ayan. Sila yung mga nasa Tisay's Canteen. Mura na, nauutang pa. Hindi, may isa pa silang tagline eh. Ano ba yung isa pa nilang tagline? Masarap kahit walang discount. Ayan, Tisay's Canteen. Diyan ako bumibili ng ulam eh. Oh, masarap siya. Masarap kahit walang discount. Ay. And also an invite for you coming from our friends at AXA. AXA, experience a life-changing career. Be an AXA licensed financial advisor. Happening July 27, 2024, 2 to 5 p.m. at the Aristocrat Restaurant, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Okay? Contact person is Mr. Earl Brian Custodio. Okay? Or you may visit the AXA Facebook page for more details. Pwedeng mag-message doon, ha? Look for Kuya Earl Brian Custodio. Ayan. Okay, yung Facebook page ni Kuya Clarence John Santos. Hanapin nyo rin. Letter K yung Clarence niya. Usually it's C, di ba? Pero siya, letter K. Clarence John Santos. Alright? And you guys know, yung mga hindi nakakaalam, gaya ko, hindi ko alam, meron palang sabon station sa Olongapo. Ayan, yung Olongapo branch. Alright? Dati kasi bumibili pa ako ng yung refill. Nakakatipid kasi dito eh. Imbes na bibili ka ng sa grocery ng laundry detergent, fabric softener, dishwashing liquid, hand soap, ang mahal eh, di ba? Pag bumibili ka sa grocery niyan. Dito ang bilihan by litro. Per litro. Tapos yung presyo ng per liter, hindi ko sasabihin yung presyo, pero sinasabi ko sa iyo, kung bibili ka ng brand new, halimbawa example yung worth hundreds and plus. Minsan wala pang 1 liter. Mga 1/4 lang nun ang presyo. 1 litro na. O, saan ka pa? Ayan. Sabon station. Ayan. Refilling yan eh. Nire-refill lang. Kaya magdadala ka lalagyan mo, ha? Nandoon lang siya sa bagong palengke. If you guys are familiar with the brown jeepney line, yung pilahan ng brown jeepney, ayun, halos katapat lang nun. Di ba may doon, may bilihan ng feeds for dogs, for cats, for chicken, for pigs. Yung feed station doon. Kaharap doon yung sabon station. Ayan, okay? Malapit lang sa pilahan ng brown. Tanong nyo lang. Ayan, so malaking katipiran. Kaysa bibili ka ng fabric softener, alcohol, meron din Meron din, may mga perfume din nga mga pabango. Ayan. Okay. Say big. Kasi yung matitipid mo, pwede mo nang pambili ng bigas para sa pamilya mo Ayan, okay? Ayan, may mga pa-bundle pa sila Alright? Iba-ibang product, fabric softener, dishwashing liquid, naka-bundle 3 for only 105 pesos. So, 3 na yung nabili mo. Alright? So, may mga per gallon din kung gusto mo ng per gallon. Okay? So, malaking tulong. Kaya pinopromote ko to Actually, hindi sila nagpapapromote. Ako na mismo nagpapapromote dahil alam ko yung hirap ng buhay. Isa akong tatay eh. Ako yung bumibili minsan pagkagaling sa trabaho. So sabi ko, total, nag-pandemic naman dati, nagkaroon ng kung ano-anong virus. Total, galing akong trabaho. Ako na lang lagi ang mamimili kung ano man yung kailangan bilhin sa bahay. Di ba? Mga nadadaanan. Palusot pa no? Yun lang talaga yung role Okay, so daan kayo sa kung nangangailangan kayo ng fabric softener, alcohol, liquid detergent, dishwashing liquid, pati pabango meron tapos what else? Marami pa, a whole lot more. Nire-refill lang. Magdala nga lang kayo ng pang-refill nyo. Per liter po per liter ang refilling. Okay? Pwede yung pinaglagyan ng soda. Yung 2 liters na andalin mo. Kasi yung 1.5 alanganin So 2 liters na. Para 2 litro. Mura lang naman di ba? Okay? So visit Sabon Station Olongapo Branch. Ayan, kasama rin yun sa mura na utang pa. Shoutout sa mga tropa natin na nandiyan yung nagbabantay dyan. Ayan, happy listening. Sabon Station Olongapo Branch. Okay? Nasa bagong palengke lang. Ayan. Kung di kayo sure kung saan sinasabi ko, tanong nyo lang. Alam naman nila ng mga taga-palengke yun, Okay? Alright. And here's the one of the invites for you guys coming from our friends at MVRO. Public consultation hearing regarding the amended procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties as approved by the SBMA Board of Directors last May 8 of 2024 under Board Resolution number 2405-0540. It's going to be held at the Function Hall B, Subic Bay Exhibition and Convention Center or DASBEC, Efficiency Road, Subic Bay Gateway Park, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. All right? This will be on July 24. Malapit na July 24, 2024, Wednesday, 9 in the morning. Okay? So, interested parties may call the Motor Vehicle Registration Office or MVRO. For more info, phone number 2524-315-4036. Or you may visit the office of the SBMA Regulatory Building, Labitan Corner, Rizal Highway, Central Business District area, Subic Bay Freeport Zone. Okay? Again, the amended procedure on the imposition of fines and penalties. Yan. So, yun po yung pag-uusapan on this notice of public hearing from the Motor Vehicle Registration Office. All right. Everybody's invited. Everybody in the Subic Bay Freeport, the stakeholders, the residents, everybody working here, the companies, di ba? Lahat tayo dito sa Subic Bay Freeport is invited. It's open for you guys. Okay? And next up, we have this invites coming to you. From our friends at SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay? Earn extra 10% off from July 19 to 21. Okay? At Our Home. All right? Our Home via the BDO Rewards card, BDO Remit, SMAC Advantage card, SMAC Prestige. Okay? So, terms and conditions apply. Get extra 10% off on all regular price and select sale featured items when you shop again with your SMAC Prestige or BDO Rewards card at Our Home, 3rd level SM City, Olongapo Central. And check out the currency exchange treat from July 19 to 25. Get every errand done at SM Store Olongapo Central. Score a free drink from ESA Restaurant at Subic Riviera for every approved currency exchange transaction at SM Store Olongapo Central Currency Exchange Counter from July 19 to 25. Simply present your receipt and coupon to avail of the offer. Do check out the Great Downtown Sale, July 19 to 25. Okay, grab the best bargains for your everyday needs. At the Great Downtown Sale, get up to 50% off and enjoy exclusive treats at SM Store Olongapo Downtown from July 19 to 21. Plus, score a free City Glass jar and a free 6-minute passage or 6-minute massage from SKS Massage when you shop a minimum 2,000 peso single receipt spent with SMAC, SMAC Advantage card. Okay? SM Advantage card, I mean. Okay? Visit us in-store or order via the SM Store Personal Shopper today. Free gift available from 2 to 4 p.m. only. All right? Also, we have this invite from the Medical City Clinic. They are open from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. The Medical City SM City Olongapo Central Medical City Clinic. Yan, okay? Visit us at Level 3 SM City Olongapo Central for your medical consultation, laboratory test, imaging, APE, and other services. You may enter via entrance 3 near Starbucks also. Also do check out the Everyday Treats at SM City Olongapo Central. This is from July 15 to August 6. Win 2 Aqua Planet passes via your SM Advantage card, the SMAC card that is, okay? So check it out. Everyday Treats, July 15 to August 6 at the SM Store, SM City Olongapo Central. Also, check out the SM Store, Olongapo Central's July 15 to 31 Back to School Specials. All right? Enjoy up to 50% off on selected items and also win Aqua Planet passes. And shop and share for education. For only 100 pesos, you'll get to sponsor one kid that will go back to school. Okay? And speaking of back to school, check out the BTS Back to School offer on shoes. Okay, at the SM Store, featuring Sugar Kids and Tough Kids. Yan, naka-sale po yung mga shoes for kids pang back to school nila at the SM Store, specifically the Sugar Kids and Tough Kids. Yan. May bunso, often binibilang ko ng Tough Kids na pang school niya. Yan. Dahil magandang brand siya, matibay, alright? At saka mura na nauutang pa. Okay, the BTS Back to School Sale. All right. Also do check out the Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurants offer. Get 40% off on dine-in and in food and beverage when you use your BDO card. Conti's Bake Shop and Restaurant, ground level, SM City Olongapo Central. Also check out the Appliance Center's Mac Bonanza up to July 31, 2024 at the Appliance Center. Okay, up to 50% off on selected items. The guest sale on all markdown items is from July 10 to 31. Check it out. Buy 2, get additional 5% off. Buy 3, additional 10% off. Buy 4, additional 15% off. Guest is at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. And lastly, the career sale at SM Store, up to 50% off on selected items up until July 31. Okay, mga pang-career na kasuotan is gotta be on sale. Okay, career sale, up to 50% off SM Store at all SM super malls. Okay, so time now for this next requested song. Music coming from the band Pilot. It's called It's Magic from 1974. Check it out. 895 Subic Bay Radio.